Alex, let me see your haircut. Show the side of your head. Oh, very nice. Very nice. What's that called? That kind of haircut? Livy. Olivia. Say hi. Say hi. I'll show you after we film. Say hi. Can you say hi? See? See? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say love you?
Hello.
How about I see you?
It's you there.
How about, can you say cookie?
I'm built for speed. Ow! Ow! The face!
Who's that? Can you, Livy, can you say cracker?
Kaka.
Can you say cookie?
Please.
Here I come.
Adios, Livy. Say bye-bye.
Want a race?
Love you. Can you give me kisses? Livy. Livy Lou. Give me kisses. Please. Aw, thank you.
Sit down.